Okay, this is the pen camera. There's the power button, light, there's the mode, Wi-Fi, SD card, charging port. Okay, to turn it on, you just press the power button. Okay, for video recording, you press the power button and it'll flash 5 times. And so now it's recording. To stop it, press again, the power button. And that's also the A button. So in the instruction manual, say A. Okay. And this is the B button. So if you want to take a picture, press B. And then to take a picture, you press A again. And so you just keep pressing A for picture. So to turn it off, alright, and then I'm going to pause and I'm going to show some more of the pen camera. Okay, for motion detection video recording, you would just want to press the A button or the power button. Then you want to press B 3 times. And then you want to press the A button. And that should activate the motion detection. Okay, the Wi-Fi mode, you press and turn it back on. And so I put it on the video recording. You press the Wi-Fi right there. And so the light turns green. Let me connect it. And so the app that suggests Final Cam, I already previously connected it. And so you can see the camera as I move it. And this is a very informative app. Camera name, password, audio recording, so you can change the video quality from Full HD 720 WVGA. You can format camera info. You can do G sensor sensitivity, TV mode, record file interval, so 3, 5, 10. And then there's settings here. So storage management, inform you of all how much total space you have in everything. There's the language setting, about. So it's a pretty informative app and works well with the camera. And that's the Final Cam, and that is the pen. So okay, this is the actual pen camera. As you can tell, it's an extremely good video camera. Really good resolution. Sound quality is excellent, and so you can actually hear my son in the background probably. He's 20 feet away in his own room, door closed. And next I'll show the actual photo